Hey YouTube, right now I'm doing the wheels on the plane. Go strip everything down. So you take the stripping and you turn around just like that. Make sure everything is done properly, you know, because after everything is stripped everything down, you need to clean to be ready for inspection. Someone will do the inspection for the wheels. So you do on one side and you turn it on around. See, I did that one before. So yeah, make sure everything is stripped. So after that is done, you put the plastic over top and you wait for a few minutes, a few hours, depends the strip it react on that. And you can do on both sides, you know, right away. You save time between the same time, you know. Make sure you have everywhere. No too thick, no too thin. It's just good coat. And you turn it around like that. And you do that the other side. So yeah, it's for the inspection after it is done. Okay, well, see you soon. And I do other thing, some wings, the cowling over here, strip everything down, the beaver tank, other parts over here, the wheels, too, other stuff. You see, it's just about done to remove the paint, and I have other one there too in the same time. You see, that tank is just about done too. That one too. So everything is stripped, but I need like 2 or 3 coats. And that one too. That is ready to wash, ready to clean, wash, and ready to go. And the boom for the helicopter, same thing. I need to wait still a few hours for that. So it's what the job is for now, you know. You like it, it's a nice job. Make sure the job is done right. Strip everything down and ready to do for the second step. Oh, see you YouTube. Take care.